Okay, it's now later, and it's time to explain that E sub A. Remember, it was kind of like this between the peak and the bottom. EA, that is called the activation energy. So just as a golf ball can't get over a hill if it does not roll up the hill with enough energy, a reaction cannot occur unless the molecules possess sufficient energy to get over the activation energy barrier. Now, if this weren't here, the person could just strike the ball, it would go there, not a problem. But you have to get over that hump and then have it then roll down over to here. So that's the activation energy. In order for a reaction to occur, a minimum amount of energy, okay, must be first applied to the reactants. The minimum energy input is usually needed to break the bonds. So here it is, activation energy. That's your E sub A. This minimum energy input is called the activation energy, or E sub A. At the peak of this graph, the substance that exists after it's had all this energy put into it is called the activated complex, or transition state. That's where you are right there. This activated complex is referred to as an intermediate step since it exists between the existence of reactants and products. It's very unstable due to its high potential energy. Systems always tend to go for lowest potential energy. That's just a fact of the universe, and you'd rather be laying in a hammock than mowing your lawn. Okay, terrible example, but this is important. High potential energy, it's unstable, it doesn't want to stay in that condition.